For over a century, 125 years, 1901 has stood as a name built on trust, craftsmanship, and innovation. Our work has always carried the same purpose: to build systems that last. Here in our prefab shop, that legacy continues every single day. This is where planning meets precision, where mechanical, electrical, plumbing, and controls come together in one rhythm. Each skid, each assembly, is the result of collaboration, calculation, and pride in our craft. Our teams don't just build parts, we build solutions. We deliver complete systems, tested, verified, and ready to perform the moment they hit the job site. Because we understand what's at stake: tight timelines, complex coordination, and the responsibility to get it right the first time. We are proud members of the union trades, skilled professionals who don't just represent a company, but a brotherhood and sisterhood built on respect, education, and excellence. Every weld, every fitting, every bolt tightened carries generations of knowledge. It's who we are. From the shop floor to the skyline, our work speaks through the systems that heat, cool, and sustain life within every building we touch. At 1901, we don't just build mechanical systems, we build trust, innovation, and the future of construction. 125 years strong, 1901 built on heritage, driven by skill, united by purpose.